वो अपने इम्तिहानात पर तवज्जो मरकूज करने के लिए जिद्दोजहद कर रही थी।
She was struggling to focus on her exams. She was struggling to focus on her exams.
मैं आपको आखिरी बार खबरदार कर रहा हूँ।
I am warning you for the last time. I am warning you for the last time.
आपको बच्चों के साथ मुहतात रहना होगा।
You have to be careful with the kids. You have to be careful with the kids.
इसने अपना ध्यान सामने की तरफ मोड़ लिया।
She switched her attention to the front. She switched her attention to the front.
हर तरफ कागज के ढेर बिखरे हुए थे।
There were tons of paper strewn everywhere. There were tons of paper strewn everywhere.
अपने दोस्त पर इल्जाम तराशी न करें।
Don't keep blaming your friend. Don't keep blaming your friend.
मुझे आर्ट क्लास के लिए एक कोलाज बनाने को कहा गया।
I was asked to make a collage for art class. I was asked to make a collage for art class.
हमने खानदानी तस्वीर ली।
We took a family picture. We took a family picture.
वो खुद को तसल्ली देते हुए कहती रही।
She kept telling reassuring herself. She kept telling reassuring herself.
उसने अपने दोस्त से मालूमात लेने की कोशिश की।
He tried getting information from his friend. He tried getting information from his friend.